The inbound.
Estanislao. Vince Spanis! First half of action done and dusted. Andito na
That play. That top of the key play from the inbound.
Estanislao. Vince Spanis! Put a body on that guy.
You gotta locate
Uh-huh.
Vince Spanis.
If your best link. Kirog to the cutting Estoya. Estanislao kicks it out. Jedi Dever, top of the K3. Huli ito!
Of the Philippines.
15 seconds remaining. Estanislao. They give it to Norin. Back to John. Nobody's fouling it. Panelo.
A quick shout out. Siyempre, di natin makakalimutan ang star point guard ng DLSU Dasmariñas way back 2008-2010, Mr. Louie Santiago. 26 points, 5 rebounds in that ball game.
Anthony Ambrosio, who's missed a couple of...
Coach Jerich Felipe, napakaganda ng bago niyang programa para sa men's basketball team ng Besling College of the Philippines.
Remember, LeBron Kirog was previous best player of the game. Kasama niya dyan, Anthony Ambrosio. Vince Spanis was also one of the best players of the game.
Mr.
Jedi
Third
Dever.
quarter man yan, si Vince Spanis. Jedi Dever.
Mr. Overtime naman.
Yes, sir. 3 3-pointers.
And Jedi Dever fine.
Razonable. That candy away from JL Razonable.
Calagos puts it up. Short.
BCP.
Parehas kompleto recados itong dalawang teams natin.
For DLSU naman, going small. Pinasok na.
Ball is in the hands of JJ Malangin. He spins against Estanislao. Malangin. Bron Kirog. The crossover. Picked by Rojas. Denies it. Norin. Out to Rojas. Top of the key 3. Of the 7th and final game of the day. Bundan out to Razonable. It's a much taller defender. De Los Santos. Sablay nga lang against. Bron Kirog on the move. He will miss.
LSU is Rogelio Calagos.
42-35. Estanislao. Now it's with Estoya. John, momentarily open. John Estanislao. Tayo natin kung magkakaroon tayo ng herky-jerky highlight dito. Calagos. Now it's with Santiago. 7 to shoot. Estoya. Ambrosio. 15 on the 24. Estanislao against Razonable. Kirog spins once again. Nawala na.
That was Jim Bayong who was able to beat that buzzer. And then ito si Nuchoriel Nicandro.
I stand corrected.
Yep. Coming off of that curl, 15-foot jumper, good to go.
Ambrosio. Out to Destoya. Panes on the move. Vince Panes lays it up and in.
I'm not even gonna argue that. He's got the best footwork. Talking about JL Razonable.
Santiago gets. He's going to be attended by our medical personnel. 14 seconds on the shot clock for Bestlink. Norin on the drive. Able to evade the defense of the paint. Calagos now to Bunda. Against Pintacasi, Ronroy leaves it. De Los Santos.
Nadagdagan lang naman.
Oo.
Wala naman nawala. Well, I mean, meron. Pero ito pa rin yung 5 na yun. So, quite different when you think about it.
Mas hirap pa daw silang manalo ngayon kaysa nung nakaraang taon, coach.